bracelet can detect heart rate. So how it works? A normal person's heartbeat and pulse correspond to each other. One heartbeat corresponds to one pulse. Therefore, ancient people often understood the heart rate by touching the pulse at the wrist. The bracelet can realize photosynthesis Simply put, it is based on the principle of light absorption by matter. The green LED light in a smart bracelet is paired with a photodiode, using light to detect the expansion and contraction of blood vessels over a period of time. It can reflect red light and absorb green light. When the heart beats and blood beats, blood flow increases. The amount of green light absorbed will increase accordingly. Blood flow is reduced during intervals between heartbeats. The absorbed green light will also be reduced. Therefore, according to the absorbance of blood, heart rate detection chips to measure heart rate. Their obvious special feature is that the sensor area is equipped with a green LED light, and the generator and photometer are located on the same side of the measured area, mainly measured for effectiveness. The advantage of this method of measuring heart rate is that it is very simple. Almost any place can be measured as long as the tissue is relatively small and the distance is equally spaced. For example, forehead, wrist. Therefore, most wearable devices such as smart bracelets and watches use heart rate sensors to measure heart rate and perfectly solve the dual requirements of heart rate monitoring and wearing comfort.